Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be going through some tips and tricks on how to make Kouign Amann dough. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt. We're going to use carbonated water, half a cup, and half a cup of hot water. We need our water to be lukewarm and not hot. We need 2 teaspoons of yeast. And we'll mix in our yeast with our water until the yeast is thoroughly mixed into the water. And next we'll add our wet ingredient to our dry ingredient, which is our flour and salt. We'll grab 1 tablespoon of melted butter. We'll add it to our mix. I'm using my hook attachment here in order to combine the ingredients. We'll mix on medium speed until a dough has been formed. If your dough is a little too sticky, add small amounts of flour to your mix. Here I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of flour to get to the right consistency. Here I'm going to knead the dough by hand just to make sure that the extra flour I've placed in is completely combined and the dough has the right texture and consistency. Okay, so our dough is the right consistency. We'll add some melted butter over our dough. That will prevent the dough from sticking to the walls of our bowl. And when that's completed, we will wrap our dough, cover it up, and set it aside for about 1 hour. Traditional Kouign Amann recipes simply call for regular water, but here in our recipe, we've done a 50-50 split. That is half a cup of sparkling water and half a cup of regular water. We will set our dough aside for about 1 hour, and in that hour your dough should double in size. Okay, so we're at the final stages of making our Kouign Amann dough. Our next step is to refrigerate the dough, so we'll remove it from our bowl and place it in an airtight bag. We will refrigerate the dough for up to an hour before beginning the lamination process. That we'll cover in the next video. If you've enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, bye!